Hello, this is going to be a very short video, but this is a video talking about what broker should you pick to trade with the Akashics platform. Well, you're going to want to make sure that the broker that you pick, guys, has or does trade the XAU USD pair. So that's one thing. Next thing, you want to make sure that it has the 1 to 500 leverage available. Some of the brokers that people have used with Akashics, guys, is going to be one, OX Securities, two would be Vantage, and then there's a bunch of other platforms out there, guys, that you guys can pick from. But just go ahead, do some of your own research. Us as a platform, guys, we do not suggest any specific platforms. That is something that you are going to have to decide. But those are really the top two platforms inside of Akashics that everyone uses. So guys, hopefully this video helps you out just a little bit, but those really are the guidelines that you want to follow. You really want to make sure that it at least has the XAU USD pair with the broker. And you also want to make sure that it at least has the leverage to 1 to 500. Thank you guys, and have a